Good evening and a warm welcome to match number 12 of Group A. This is the South Mumbai Dads League, produced and directed by Zoota Season 1. Both the teams playing their last and final league match. Team Sri Sai Cricket have played two matches. They have won both the matches. On the other hand, Giants CC have won one match and lost the other. So it's a very important game. They have to win this one to stay in contention. And Vishal Merwana will be looking to keep up the winning momentum. The flip of the coin happening at the hands of Kalparik. Heads is the call, and it is Kalpa. You win the toss. So what's your call and why? A very important game coming up. It's a do or die situation for your team.
Correct, absolutely. So we'll field first, and because they have a great batting lineup, so we'd like to first put them in bat and then chase it out.
What's the kind of total that you would want Vishal and team to be restricted to?
Not more than 150.
Yes, wishing your team the very best. May the best team win at the end of the day. Vishal, important game. You have to keep up the winning momentum as you get into the business end. You have lost the toss and you're going to be batting first. He wants to restrict you to something in the region of 140. On the other hand, I'm sure that the bare minimum for you will be something in the region of 165, 170 plus.
Correct. So we also wanted to bat first because from past two matches we are chasing. So we want to put some score on the board and let's see how we bowl.
Any injury concerns in your team, or are you going full throttle?
Everybody is fit. Unfortunate Pawan is not there and Atul is injured, but it's okay.
Yes, wishing team Sri Sai Cricket the very best. The news from the centre is that Kalpa Parik, the captain of Giants Cricket Club, has won the toss and is going to be bowling first. It's going to be the opening duo of team Sri Sai Cricket to take first guard. Join you with live action in the next 10 minutes. Thank you. Sunil Punjabi to be opening the proceedings, and what a cheeky shot. What a clever shot, picking up the length of that delivery so early. That's a brave shot to be attempting to the very... Oh, that is easy, mate. That's a freebie on offer. Gets the treatment that it deserved. That was easy meat for Manan. Sachin on strike. That was the half volley, and putting the ball away into that vacant mid-wicket region for a boundary. Just what the doctor ordered. Rabindra Junjunwala will have to be very careful here because both the that is in the range. That man was brought inside the circle, through the line, on the rise. What terrific lusty hitting by Sachin Seth, making his intentions absolutely clear with that blazing trailblazer of a six. The score now on to 21 at the end of 2 overs. If the ball is there in his range, he will not spare those kind of deliveries. He will put them away. One more boundary to his name. They really seem to be in a very big hurry here, putting on the big runs in good time. That boundary takes the score to 26. Both these batters laying a rock solid foundation here. Still early days. Not even thinking of picking up the favorite team at this stage. We just want to sit back, enjoy a good game of cricket. May the best team win at the end of the day. Doesn't matter who wins till the time we have a fantastic cricket match on. Oh, that is hammered away. That's a freebie offer. Gets a treatment that it deserved. Dispatching the ball out of sight with disdain. They're dealing in boundaries at the moment. Giants CC have won the toss and they have decided to bowl first. They got to be very careful. They cannot let Sri Sai Cricket intention. Good intentions die if they are not executed. Oh, the moment it went past the man in that backward of square leg area, it was always going to be a boundary. The only way the fielder could have stopped it was diving to his left. And boundary takes a score. Come good here. Oh, super timing. That is such a good shot. Piercing the field on the leg side for one more boundary. Both the batters have cut loose here in the initial stages. They're taking utmost use of the power play period. The power play rest. And this is a shot which he loves to play. He's put in the hard yards to master this shot. Nobody can play this shot better than Gandhi. Such a good exponent of that shot. 50 runs up on the board. That's a 6. Well timed. That was the half volley. That goes the distance. For a moment, we all thought that it was going to be a catch. Let's watch the replay. Oh, that was an opportunity. A good pick up and throw, and that could be dangerous. No, says the umpire. The experienced Ravindra Junjunwala. Sachin Seth is on his way back to the dugout. What a terrific shot. He got stuck into that one. That has really gone the distance. Oh, that's a trailblazer of a 6. That takes the score to 83. Nicely taken, straight down the throat of the man in the deep. He was positioned in that area to exactly take that kind of a shot, pouch that kind of a catch. The second man gone. One more man bites the dust. That's an important breakthrough in the post-rings interval. Very well driven, that low full toss. That is not an easy shot to be executing, but just look at the way he essayed that picture perfect shot. Super timing, that will take his confidence skyrocketing. One of the most gorgeous shots of the evening. The ball flying away off the outside edge. The head was in the air, nothing in place, but a welcome boundary for Sri Sai Cricket. Oh, that will go into the gap. No chances whatsoever. Welcome runs. 100 runs up on the board. 103 for 2 to be precise at the end of 12 overs. Oh, that is such a good connection. That has gone the distance. Down on his knees. That was the picture perfect shot. Putting the ball away out of sight with disdain. Playing it over the very still head. Just look at the uppercut coming into play, and that will go crashing into the boundary rope. The boundary takes the score to 117. There was room on after. He went after it. And no half measures. It was a full-blooded uppercut. Getting that is well struck. Oh, good attempt. Only a half chance. That is what at the maximum you can call it. Not a chance, but yes, it could be a half chance. With that boundary, the score now on to 120 region. Oh, it's clean bowled. Gets his man. If you happen to have a look at the replay, just watch his head. Just watch his head. That was not in the right position. That was in the air. He had no sight at the ball at the very last moment. That good knock from Vidyut comes to an end. In comes Vishal Merwana, Urf Baba. A warm welcome to Smita Patil. That is out of the park. Vishal Merwana joining the act. He joins the party. That was a freebie on offer. Easy. Oh, what a delivery. That really opened him up. That opened him square. Fair and square, he was beaten. After 16, 139. Just look at that shot for pure timing. Nobody in the deep. 150 runs up on the board. That boundary of the first ball of the over will put some extra pressure. Consecutive boundaries. Consecutive boundaries. Putting the foot on the pedal. Acceleration time. 154. Turning around the corner. The ball has enough for Wills on it to go past the boundary rope. 4 runs added in the form of byes. Nothing much that the bowler could have done otherwise. Important runs added. The score after 18 is 159. Terrific shot. A super shot. Getting stuck into that one. Through the line on the rise. Just look at the high elbow. A still head. Picture perfect to get a very precious boundary. What a clever shot that is. A minimum effort. Just look at the end result. Maximum result. Such a smart and clever boundary. They're stepping on the gas and this is going to be very, very dangerous. Just look at the attitude and approach from this man. Deven Dhruva is going great guns. The young gun is firing. 174 for 4. Is on to 18 of 9 balls. 200 is the strike rate with the help of 3 boundaries. That was the hat-trick of boundaries, in fact. He gets a right underneath the ball. We'll have to wait and watch. Nicely taken. Straight down the throat of the man in the deep. He makes no mistake. He pouches that one so cleanly. Ravindra Jhunjhunwala picks up a wicket. Deven is on his way back after playing a good purposeful knock. Oh, I run out at the other end. We'll have to wait and watch. The finger goes up. So the set target, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for team What a shot. He is going great guns. What a start here. He's putting the foot on the pedal. He's looking to take the bowling attack on. Taking the bowling attack to the cleaners. Invariably, that will go past the boundary line. The way he picked up the spot was superbly done. The score after 2, 27. Oh, super timing. That was a short and wide delivery. Nicely put away. No room for error in this kind of a T20 game on this big stage. This is the big league match. Up and away in a fantastic way. That was begging to be hit away. That was a freebie on offer. This is bread and butter stuff. If you keep bowling to the batsman in that area, he's going to murder you. He's going to kill you. Score after 3 overs is a very handsome 38. Oh my word, what a start. Oh, what a terrific timing shot. Up and over she goes, sailing into the crowd. Just what the doctor ordered. This man is on a mission. He's come out in a mission mode and is really making a big difference here. If he's this time, nicely taken. What a wicket. That is the big fish in the net. The trap was set. He takes the bait. He falls into the trap. And what a fine catch to end that stint of Vinith. That is a long way into the air. That is airborne. What a way to start the innings. He also gets stuck into that one. With that 6, the score now on to 52. He was in an awkward position, and in spite of that, he went after that shot, and that will fetch him a boundary. Not so convincing, but a welcome boundary. That boundary takes the scoreline to 61. The match template is loud and clear. Go for the shot. Too short. That was begging to be hit away. That was very, very loose delivery. Getting the treatment that it deserved. Putting it away into the backward of square leg boundary line for a boundary. Just what the doctor ordered with 1 ball to go in the 6th over. 66 for 1. Off the outside edge, not convincing, but a welcome boundary. They will take it any day. And never mind how they come till the time they keep coming. Let them come. 70. A boundary of the very first delivery will put that little extra pressure on the bowler. What a shot. He's a very tall man. Just look at the way he picked up the length of the delivery so early. Gets into a very good position and putting the ball away out of sight. Super timing. 80 for 1. Over number 7. 2 to go. Slow to the air. He gets his man. That was looking on the cards. The pressure was building. Suchit Shah is on his way back to the pavilion after a breezy 24 of 16 balls with the help of 2 boundaries and 1 6. They're bowling very tight. They're being very disciplined. We'll have to wait and watch. One more man bites the dust as the fielder in the deep makes no mistake. That is Hemang Vasu pouching the catch. 3 wickets gone. The momentum once again starting to get back into the camp of Sri Sai Cricket. Now team striking stars have to be a little careful here. Now they have to pace their innings to a nicety. The fielder in the deep was a little slow to react, and just look at the penalty. 4 runs there for the taking. Very slow to react. With that boundary, the score on to 105. Terrific hitting. The Nelson mark. Jinesh is now into the attack. That short pitch delivery has been clobbered away. Good bit of work by the man stationed in that deep mid wicket. That's a Chetak play boundary. Boundary of the first delivery takes the scoreline to 118. 47 balls and 62 runs to win the match. That was a loose one. Got the treatment that it deserved. Chetak. That's a boundary. Well timed. Maybe it could find the fielder straight down his throat. Easy pickings. One more man gone. The dangerous looking left-handed batsman is on his way back to the pavilion. That is Piyush Patel, after scoring a breezy 28 runs off 13 balls with the help of 3 boundaries and 1 6, is on his way back to the pavilion. The new man in Kulp. Half the team back in the earth. Straightforward chance to Vidyut. He makes no mistake. One more man bites the dust. Starting to get a little close now. Too close for comfort as far as the Giants Cricket Club is concerned. Still, this could go either ways. That wicket will shift the momentum a little. That is cut away, and that will find the boundary rope. A man in hot chase cannot get there. That's a boundary. Important boundary. The score on to 134. The slower one, putting the ball in front of square. They're dealing in couples at the moment. Oh, they look for that third run. The finger goes up. It's been referred. It's been referred. What a terrific shot in the circumstances. That 6 will really be a great source of encouragement now for team Giants Cricket Club. 24 balls and only 28 more to win. 4 wickets in hand. 150. Oh, that is a loose delivery. Nobody there to save that boundary. That will be a crucial boundary. Did not bowl to his field. He did not have any protection in that area. He had no business to pitch it that shot down the leg side. That was easy stuff. That boundary once again tilting the... super timing, and that goes past the boundary line. A very, very difficult shot to play in the book. That on drive was such a good delivery. Wasn't an easy delivery to be negating, but he puts the ball away in great style. Oh, that will settle the issue to a great extent. That's a boundary, important one, settling the issue there. 177, only 3 runs to win off the last 6 balls. The final 6 balls, 3 to win. Points will be shared. That's it. Congratulations to team Giants Cricket Club for this close victory. They hang on to that thin string of hope and dream. Congratulations, team Giants Cricket Club. Presentation. What a terrific victory for Giants Cricket Club. Not just a victory that gives them a chance to make it to the semi-finals. The first semi-final, Sri Sai Cricket versus Alliance Cricket Club tomorrow. The first semi-final. The second semi-finals, Giants Cricket Club versus Animal. For the moment, it's time to hand over the Man of the Match award. To do the honors, we've got the captain of team Sri Sai Cricket, that is Vishal Merwana. It goes to Piyush for his all-round performance, 14 balls, 28 runs. He picked up 1 wicket in that very crucial and miserly spell. Congratulations, well done Piyush. A big congratulations, a very important victory, not just a victory, it's a very sweet victory as you all make it to the semi-finals. Yes. Anything can happen from here on now.
Yeah, it is a really sweet victory. So because my daughter is going study abroad tonight, and I missed that, I am not going to drop her. So thank you, Sia, and have a safe flight. And I dedicate this my man of the match to her. And it's really nice to win and go to the semi-final. Tomorrow we will fight hard. Thank you.
That's a big sacrifice that you made, not going to see off your daughter as she goes abroad. Here's wishing her the very best. May she have a bright future, a good life, and that sacrifice does not go waste. You all make it to the semi-finals. Thank you. Good night. God bless. This is your host and host, Nishat Kora, signing off on behalf of Zoot. See you tomorrow, guys, for semi-final 1 and semi-final 2. Same time. Thank you. Good night. God bless. Take care. Drive back home safely.